First of all, I would like to thank the Cabinet Secretary and his entire team, Ministry of Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries, to believing in us that we can have such kind of great event. First of all, Jumbo to all Kenyans. And to begin with, I would like to thank the Ministry of Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries for extending their wholehearted support. And as a part of this event, I think it is going to be a huge success even in the future. This is just the beginning and there are a long way to go.
Okay, so can we expect it to be an annual event from now?
Sure, we already decided that we are coming here again next year.
Okay, perfect. What are your upcoming plans for the African markets?
Yeah, because right now we want to concentrate on Kenya because I think this is the right choice for us, bringing in this Agritech Africa event in Kenya. So I think we'll stick to this, and then there is a long way to go, and we'll have more and more fruitful exhibitors and visitors the year go progress.
We are at this point as an industry, as a sector, as a government, turning the page in terms of how we have managed our agriculture sector. We are bringing in new technologies to be what defines performance in this sector. We are focusing our energies towards irrigation. There is a lot of potential to open up more land in Kenya to put under irrigation so that we can deal with the impact of rain-fed agriculture, which is largely what we have been as a country, as a sector.
Garware is a company which was established since 1976. It's a company started for having one of the biggest manufacturer in India and all over the world who is supplying ropes as well as shade nets. It is one of the biggest company who is having its reach more than 75 countries.
My name is Vijay Chabria. I am the Managing Director of Phenolics Plus On Industries Limited. We are from Pune, India.
Sonalika, we have always been a focus market for us, Africa. We are the largest exporters of tractors from India to Africa. And what we are looking at now is to go beyond tractors and give solution to the farming community across Africa. But not only supplying tractors and implements, but also providing a training. So we have taken this initiative in many markets in Africa to open training centers where we teach farmers about better farming practices, how to improve the yield per hectare to what they're using, how to have optimum utilization of the machine, and how to do after-sales service.
I'm Dr. Satilal Patil, and I'm Managing Director of Green Vision Life Sciences Private Limited. We are working in the field of agriculture biotechnology. Nowadays, what happened, lots of chemical pesticides are being used in agriculture, and they are destroying our environment, they are destroying our ecosystem, and they are poisoning our plate also, food plate. So that's why we have strong team of innovators, PhD scientists and all that. We innovate on different aspects of the agriculture where we can replace the chemical pesticides. We have developed a lot of molecules. In India, in Pune, we have the lab, and we develop the products like M-Impact, Nanovate and all that, which are biological as well as